Hello, my desktop publishing students. This is part 2 of the 25 CD Mania assignment. And remember, at the very end of the last video, we went to file print, and the only piece that you saw was this little part, CD Mania, right? You didn't see the green part, and you did not see the chart. And then when we went to the next sheet, you saw the 2 charts that you'd completed, and you also saw the last chart on average sales where you put in the drop lines. Okay, so I want to go back and I want to show you what print area means, all right? And can you see this gray line around? That's our print area. But right now what we're going to do is I want to clear the print area, all right? So I'm going to go here, and why can't I see that not in gray? Okay, so I said I cannot see why I can't see it. Print area's in gray. Guess what? I've got your sheets grouped. So if you've got yours grouped, right click and ungroup your sheets. So that we're on sheet 1. Now take a look. The print area is black. You can do something about it. Now click on the drop down and say clear the print area. Clear it. Alright, so now if you go to File Print, you will see the top blue part, then you'll see the green, and if I go to page 2, now you might see yours as being larger, and that's right. I went to page setup and I put mine to 90%. So go and change yours to 90%, and when you change it to 90%, this should all fit on perfectly on landscape. Now your chart may be off. If it's off, then go back here and move it so that it fits within those lines. Okay, so make sure that it doesn't come down and go over the line. And if you do that, when you go back to File Print, then you will have the 2 sheets. All right, so if we now go and group the sheets, we use our Shift key here, you will see that you have the first 2 sheets are landscape, because that's what we chose for them. Then the 3rd sheet, we made it portrait, and the 4th sheet, we made it portrait, because that is what worked best. All right, now we'll go back. I'm going to take off the grouping, so I'm going to ungroup, and I'm going to go back to sheet 1. And now this is where you decide we don't need all of that. All we need is this. This is all we want on our page 1. So now you go to print area and you say set. But you got to remember, someday if you only print out 6 lines, it's because you've got a print area set. So don't get caught. All right, so now we go to File Print. Okay, I should go back and group the sheets so that you can see what we saw the last time. All right, so now go to File Print. And there's your first sheet, the print area that we selected. Then page 2 are the 2 charts that we did, and page 3, there's the last chart that we did. So everything's there. That's what we wanted. So we didn't want to include the other data because it wasn't pertinent to what we were doing. So I'm going to say ungroup the sheets, and this chart I want to make it the right size so it matches the other one. Okay, click on your spreadsheet. That's the only piece that I wanted to show you was the print area to make sure that you got that. So on sheet 1, you select the area and that you want to keep. Now we could take 2 areas. If I use the Control key, I could do 2 areas, and then I could say set print area. All right, so now if I go to File Print, oh, I did not pick it up. Hold on here. Okay, you know what? I'm going to go to print area and say clear. All right, now I'll start again, and I'll take this area here, and I'm going to go Control and take this area here and try it. Okay, File Print. Great luck. It wouldn't pick it up. All right, it said my Control key would work, but it's not, so I'm going to go clear again. Now watch, try this time. If I take it all the way down without the control key. And now I want to go to File, Print. Oh, did I not set it? Oh, I didn't. I selected it. Look at this. Let me try again here. That was my fault. Sorry. And I'm going to use your control key. And I have to say set the print area. Set it. All right. Now I should be able to go to File, Print. Didn't. Okay. Let's go to Clear. Print area clear. Well, you're certainly going to get practice on this one. And so now I'll go down. Okay, go down here, and I'm going to select all of it. And I want to go to Print Area, Set It. Okay, so set it. And now go to File, and go to Print. There's what I should have had. Okay, so I can do something Shift, but the control wouldn't let me in the print area. But at least you saw that that will work. Okay, so we'll stop there then. Click on your spreadsheet, go Control S to save, and we'll stop.